Good morning, everyone. Sri Shankaracharya Vidyalaya welcomes you all. Today, we are going to start Chapter 1 of Economics from Class 10th titled Development. In this chapter, we are going to study how countries or states can be compared using some selected development indicators. Economic development can be measured, and income is the most common method for measuring development. However, the income method, though useful, has several weaknesses. Hence, we need newer ways of looking at development using indicators of quality of life and environmental sustainability. We always think that money is the criteria for assessing development. But in this chapter, we are going to study how other factors are also important for development. Money cannot only lead to development. This is what we are going to study in this chapter. Most of us think that development and growth are same, but it is not true. हम सब क्या सोचते हैं? हम सब ये सोचते हैं कि डेवलपमेंट और ग्रोथ दोनों सेम है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. Growth is a narrow factor which is linked with money. Growth is part of development. Growth equals to increase in income. When we talk about economic growth, it only refers to the increase in the national income of the nation. That is only economic growth. But that is only a very, very narrow part. Development not only deals with money, but other things also which are essential for life. If we say economic growth, it means just increase in the income of the nation or income of the place. But just mere increase in the income doesn't mean that growth, that development has taken place. When we talk about development, it not only deals with money, but other things which are essential for life. So development is equal to increase in income plus accessibility of all factors essential for living. डेवलपमेंट की बात जब हम करते हैं, डेवलपमेंट में सिर्फ पैसा इंक्रीज होना नहीं होता है. डेवलपमेंट तब होता है जब पैसे के साथ साथ दूसरे फैक्टर्स भी जो है अवेलेबल होते हैं. दूसरे फैक्टर्स जो लाइफ में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो देयर इज एक्सेसिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट. देन ओनली विल से दैट डेवलपमेंट हैज टेकन प्लेस. Our next topic, economic development. So let us understand what is economic development. Economic development is a term that refers to all-round development of a country. A country has a developed economy if its people have higher income and are able to satisfy most of their desires, has all the facilities which are essential for development of citizens. So very, very important point to be noted down, that economic development refers to all round development of a country. Just if the income of the country is increasing, we cannot say that economic development is taking place. That is, economic growth is taking place. Growth. Along with the income, there has to be development of all those facilities which are essential for the overall development of the people. If all those facilities are available, then only we can say that economic development is taking place. See, a country has developed economy if its people have higher income and are able to satisfy most of the desires, has all the facilities which are essential for the development of citizens. एक नेशन में इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट तब होगा जब लोगों के इनकम के साथ साथ बाकी दूसरे फैक्टर्स जो लोगों के डेवलपमेंट के लिए ज़रूरत है वो भी डेवलप होंगे, वो एस्टैब्लिश होंगे। ये फैसिलिटीज़ क्या है? इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल फैसिलिटीज़, medical facilities, educational facilities. These are the way, and there are many other things which are essential for the development of a person. So along with the increase in the income, if these facilities are available, then only we can say that economic development is taking place. Now we are going to study the meaning of development for different people. The meaning and concept of development differs from person to person. Different people want different things in life. They seek things that are most important for them. देखो, डेवलपमेंट का जो मतलब है वो हर पर्सन के लिए अलग अलग होता है. People want different things in life. Their needs are different, their requirements are different. So if the person is able to get what he needs in life, if the person is able to achieve what he requires, that is development for him. And as the people have different wants, desires and needs, the concept of development will also be different for them. अलग अलग लोगों की ज़रूरत अलग होती है, उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट, उनकी नीड्स, उनके डिज़ायर सब अलग अलग होते हैं. तो अगर हम एक पर्सनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो डेवलपमेंट एक पर्सनल व्यू से डेवलपमेंट कब होगा? जब वो इंसान जो चीज़ चाहता है वो लाइफ में उसको अगर वो मिल जाए तो वो उसके लिए डेवलपमेंट होगा. और हर इंसान की नीड्स, रिक्वायरमेंट्स, डिज़ायर सब अलग अलग होते हैं, इसलिए डेवलपमेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट भी हर इंसान के लिए अलग अलग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इस चीज़ को मैं इलॉबरेट करना चाहूँगी. आई वुड लाइक टू इलॉबरेट दिस स्टेटमेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ पर्सन who is an industrialist, what he will like? He would like to expand his business abroad. He would like to set up more number of industries. He would like his children to go abroad and take admission in good universities outside. So if the person is able to achieve that, it will be development for that person. But will a daily wage worker think in the same manner? No. As far as a daily wage worker is concerned, he cannot even think of sending his children abroad, because his major objective is to provide his family 2 meals a day. एक आम डेली वेज वर्कर कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकता कि वो अपने बच्चों को फॉरेन भेजे, फॉरेन के यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाए. उसके लिए क्या होगा? उसके लिए अगर वो अपने बच्चों को आसपास के लोकल स्कूल में पढ़ा ले, वो डेवलपमेंट होगा. वो अगर अपने बच्चों को 2 वक्त का खाना दे दे तो उसके लिए डेवलपमेंट होगा. सो दैट इज़ वाई the meaning of development differs from person to person. Why? Because people have different wants, desires and needs. And if the people are able to satisfy their wants, if they're able to fulfill their desires or needs, it is development for them. See, now we are going to study the different development goals of different people. Landless rural laborer, what he would like? He would like more days of work. Second, better wages. Economic and social equality. Local school is able to provide education for the children. So this is the development goal of a landless rural laborer. Now let us see about the development goal of a prosperous farmer. What a prosperous farmer would like to have? He would want assured a high family income through high support prices for their crops. वो क्या चाहेगा? एक हायर इनकम चाहेगा, हाई सपोर्ट प्राइसेस फॉर देयर क्रॉप्स, गवर्नमेंट उनको जो है मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस दे, एक अच्छा कीमत दे उनकी फसल को और उनका हाई इनकम मिले, वो उसका डेवलपमेंट गोल होगा। रिच पर्सन क्या चाहेगा? हायर फैमिली इनकम, बेटर एजुकेशन टू द चिल्ड्रन, टू सेटल देयर चिल्ड्रन अब्रॉड, बहुत ज़्यादा इनकम अपनी फैमिली के लिए, अपने बच्चों का बेटर एजुकेशन और अपने बच्चों का जो है बाहर अब्रॉड में सेटल करना। ए गर्ल फ्रॉम ए रिच अर्बन फैमिली, व्हाट शी वुड लाइक? शी वुड लाइक टू हैव as much freedom as a brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. एक लड़की क्या चाहेगी? एक लड़की चाहेगी कि उसको भी उतनी ही आज़ादी मिले जितना कि उसके ब्रदर को मिल रहा है, उसको भी इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट मिले। So what we are studying, everybody has got different objectives in life. Their requirements are different, their needs are different, they want different things. So if the respective people get what they want in life, that is development for them. That is why the meaning of development differs from person to person. Now one more important thing. What is development for one may not be development for the other. It may even be destruction for the other. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट ये भी होता है, जो एक के लिए डेवलपमेंट है, हो सकता है कि वो दूसरे के लिए डेवलपमेंट ना हो। ऐसा भी हो सकता है जो एक के लिए डेवलपमेंट है वो दूसरे के लिए डिस्ट्रक्शन साबित हो जाए। We can understand this with the help of an example. To get more electricity, industrialists want more dams, but this may submerge the land and disturb the lives of the people who are displaced. इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट क्या चाहेगा? इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट चाहेगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डैम बनाया जाए, ताकि डैम बने तो उनको जो सस्ते रेट में, सब्सिडाइज्ड रेट में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिल सके। लेकिन जब एक डैम बनता है तो डैम बनने के वक्त जहाँ डैम बनेगा, नदी के आसपास में रहने वाले लोगों का जो है घर, खेत, फर्टाइल लैंड सब उनसे छीन जाता है। So people are displaced. When a dam is being constructed, people living at the river banks are asked to vacate the place. डैम बनाने के लिए वो नदी के आसपास में रहने वाले लोगों को वो जगह खाली करने को कहा जाता है ताकि वहाँ पे डैम बनाया जा सके। तो वो लोग जो वहाँ पे रहते थे, वो किसान जिनका वो फर्टाइल लैंड था, उनका क्या होता है? दे लूज देयर फर्टाइल लैंड, दे लूज देयर सोर्स ऑफ अर्निंग लाइवलीहुड, दे lose their shelter. As a result, these people lose their fertile land and source of earning livelihood. So constructing a dam cannot be development for these people. It is destruction. It will be development only for the industrialists and urban dwellers because they will get electricity at less rate. जब एक डैम बनता है तो ये डेवलपमेंट सिर्फ इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के होगा, क्योंकि उनके लिए या अर्बन ड्वेलर्स यानी शहर में रहने वाले लोगों के लिए डेवलपमेंट होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको सस्ते में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिल रहा है। लेकिन ये उन किसानों के लिए डिस्ट्रक्शन होगा जिनको डैम बनाने के लिए उनके फर्टाइल लैंड ले लिया जाता है। नदी के किनारे का लैंड सबसे फर्टाइल होता है, और अगर उनको वहाँ से हटा दिया गया तो उन्होंने अपना फर्टाइल लैंड खो दिया। Their source of earning livelihood gets lost. So that is destruction for the farmers. It is development for the industrialists and the urban dwellers, and it is destruction for the farmers. So what is development for one may not be development for the other. It may be even destruction for the other. So what we have studied? We have studied two things. First, different people have different notion of development. हर इंसान के लिए डेवलपमेंट का मतलब अलग अलग होता है. Second, what is development for one may not be development for the other. जो एक के लिए डेवलपमेंट है वो हो सकता है दूसरे के लिए डेवलपमेंट ना हो.